want to do a real quick video on this Ford Thunderbird. I thought that it was special because it has this pinstripe and it's very unique. And it has this, see, pinstriped by Itchy. His little, what he does. It ain't cheap, so his pinstriping is very nice, and it goes all across the vehicle. Look at that. Amazing. Very well done. Thunderbird LX. Real cool car. Anyway, okay. So, here's under the hood. 4.6 liter overhead camera. Close it for you. The pinstriping is beautiful on this vehicle. Alright, let's look inside. Oh, the interior is irremarkable. Typical Ford setup. 121,936 is all the miles that this car got. So, and the build quality is questionable. Look at this, a little baggy or something. Oh, it's like a white substance. Not gonna touch that. Anyway, that's how you got back there. You touch this and that spring. Ooh, push this forward. But pretty remarkable. Fun car though. Fun car. Nice. Ford Thunderbird, boo. Pinstripe.